Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear watch history on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to the Instagram application and then head over to the profile by clicking on the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then go to the hamburger menu and head over to your activity section. Then click on the like option in the interactions section. Once you click it, you will be able to see the posts and reels that you have seen, or these are saved as history in your account, and you just need to see all these. See that these are the reels history you have watched. And yeah, this is how you can do it. You can also change it to nearest to oldest or oldest to newest, and also change the date filter and see all content tops also. Like if you want to just see the reels, or you will be able to see the reel, just check mark on it and click on apply. Then you will just be able to see the reels, and otherwise this is it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.